Hey, I'm here in the beautiful foothills of the Alps in Austria. My wife and I just moved here about a month ago. It's amazing. It's so beautiful here. But what I want to talk about today is not beauty as much as messiness. I think that when Jesus healed people, I think of all the ways he could have done it. You know, he's God and he knows that he's God. So he could have done it with just a touch. He could have done it with just a word. He could have done it with just a thought because his thoughts were that powerful, because his word was that effective. But he doesn't do that. In this gospel reading for Sunday, we hear the story of the people bring a deaf man to Jesus. And first of all, Jesus doesn't heal him in front of the crowd. This isn't for everyone else to see. He pulls him aside. And he doesn't heal him beautifully. He doesn't heal him even in this glorified way where there's, light coming from heaven or thunder from his eyes. And he spits. The God of the universe spits on his finger and uses that to heal a deaf man. I mean, it's crazy that the God who is perfect, who is unstained, unblemished, would choose to use spit to heal a man. God works through the mess to get to us. He works through human, earthy, messy, and even imperfect things to bring us back to him. Are you willing to encounter God in the mess? Are you willing to let him heal you even if it might be messy? Are you willing to let him bring hope and wholeness to you, even if it might be through the priest whose homilies you don't like, through the parish whose music you can't stand? And are you willing to believe that God wants to use you to bring the gospel to other people, even though he knows full well how messy you are, even though you think you might be even less good at bringing his healing than the spit was that day 2,000 years ago? But we see in today's gospel a reminder that if we give God the chance, if we allow him to reach us through the mess, he can do great things. He can do amazing things. So don't just look for him in beauty today. Look for him in the messiness of our lives. Believe that he is still on the move, even in the mess. Believe that he's not done, even when all seems lost. And believe that he can heal us even through spit.